meets the measuring needs of smaller and more diverse samples. Easier operation and higher performance than ever before. Nikon's high-precision, non-contact automatic measurement solutions for quality control. CNC Video Measuring System NEXIV VMZ R series. New high-speed TTL laser autofocus. Accurately and easily detects top and bottom surfaces of transparent samples. Precisely measures minute optical elements as small as 0.1 millimeter thick glass. High-speed scanning measurement at 1,000 points per second. Flatness measurement results are displayed as a bird's eye view. Vision autofocus is also available. Multi-point autofocus enables simultaneous measurement of multiple points in the field of view. Nikon's original 8-segment ring illumination. The infinite angle can be adjusted in 3 steps. In addition, 8-segment light combinations can be set to suit individual samples, allowing flexibility in lighting direction. Accurately detects complex surface edges. High-speed, high-precision stage with Nikon's unique linear encoder and new illumination system achieves higher accuracy and faster throughput. 15 times high-speed zoom provides both high-resolution views at high magnification and wide field of view at low magnification. Automatically and accurately detects position and orientation of randomly located samples. User-friendly, intuitive software enables auto-measure programs to be made easily. After auto-measurement, reports are generated. Automatically detects free-form shapes and displays deviation from designed forms. High-speed laser scanning measurement data can be displayed as a bird's eye view. Automated stage control enables high-precision image stitching. Generates whole images of large samples. Three models of the NEXIV VMZ R series with different stage sizes are available. Each model accommodates 3 types of zoom head, giving 6 different magnification ranges to choose from. The Z-axis stroke has been extended to 200 millimeters. Nikon CNC Video Measuring System NEXIV VMZ R series, the ultimate video measuring system.